Hey guys, I'm Angel and thanks for stopping by at my channel. For my first video, I decided to do a DIY that all ages can enjoy that will keep you safe. A DIY no-sew face mask. Absolutely no sewing is involved. That's right. You can put down that needle and thread and let's begin. The first thing you're going to need is a piece of cloth. Quick disclaimer, if you don't have cloth, you can also use t-shirts, socks, or even napkins. The size of my material is 9 by 18 inches, but you are not limited by this measurement. The goal is to have enough material to cover your mouth and nose, but do as you please. The second thing you need are 2 hair ties, and it doesn't matter what color or size they are. The last thing you need are 4 cupcake wrappers or coffee filters with 2 on each side. You're going to start by taking your material and laying it horizontally on your surface. Next, you're going to take your coffee filters or cupcake wrappers and lay it at the bottom middle of your material and then fold. Then you're going to take your 2 hair ties and loop them around one time on both sides of your material.